Hello friends, welcome to Eat East Indian channel. Today we are making some delicious, flavorful, crispy pakoras because they are perfect finger food for game night. So Super Bowl is around the corner. Why not serve your guests these tasty pakoras? Pakoras is basically an Indian style fritter. These are mixed veg pakoras, so I'm using medley of vegetables to make these delicious treats. So in a bowl, add in your chopped vegetables. I'm using potatoes, cauliflower, onions, some spinach. You can also use chopped carrots, mushrooms, zucchini, whatever veggie you want. Season these vegetables. I'm adding salt, should be as per your taste depending on quantity you're cooking. I have about 2 to 3 cups of veggies here. A little bit of black pepper and ajwain, that is carom-caraway seeds. They lend a nice exotic taste to your pakoras and are also good for digestion. A little bit of heat with our chili powder. You can keep it mild by using paprika, and then a mango powder, that is Amchur, that lends nice tanginess to your dish, and dried crushed fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Again, they'll add very nice flavor to our dish. So everything is in. We'll mix these veggies together so that they can soak in the flavor from these spices, and also we let it stand for about 10-15 minutes. That way the excess water is released from the vegetables. Now veggies like mushrooms, zucchini, spinach, they ooze out a little bit more water, so we have to be careful which veggies we are using. You can see now some people like to squeeze the water out and then make the batter and fry the veggies in them. I personally like to mix the batter and nutrients from the veggies together so that the pakoras still have some nutrition. So no extra water is needed. First add in veggies, then add in your chickpea flour, that's Besan. It's gluten free, it's dairy free, it's a great flour to work with. That's the outer layer of our pakoras. And then see if you need extra water, so maybe a little tablespoon or 2, and then mix all these ingredients well together and then heat some oil, and we are going to deep fry them. Now here is a little tip: if you want to add a little bit more oomph to your pakoras, a little bit more taste, a little bit more flavor, you can also use tomato ketchup or chili sauce. So I'm adding some tomato sauce in my batter here, about 2 tablespoons. Mix them all well together. Once your oil is nice and hot, then you put in your pakoras and they turn out nice and crispy. First batch usually takes longer than the subsequent batches. Make sure you test the oil by adding a little bit of batter. If it splutters, you know that the oil is ready. So we are cooking here pakoras in small batches, 4 or 5 at a time, but everything cooks very fast, so it doesn't take too long. So take a small portion, add it in the oil and let it cook until it's golden brown. And then pakoras can be served with chutney of your choice. Do check my playlist of different kind of chutneys and try one at your place today. So it's a little golden but not yet, so we'll give it few more minutes. Once it's nice and golden crispy brown, then we take it out. We cook it on medium heat. Too high and then it cooks from outside, not from inside. Too low, then it soaks in extra oil. Another batch going in. Same way we are going to cook it until golden brown fritters are ready. They store really well, so if you want to make a bunch in advance, this is a good recipe to make, and then you can just heat them in the oven or microwave them. They freeze really well as well and they taste incredible. So here our delicious pakoras are ready. Hope you like this recipe idea, guys. Make this tasty snack in your own kitchen and enjoy. And if you like the recipe, don't forget to share it with friends and family, and do subscribe to Eat East Indian channel for more tasty recipe ideas. Thanks guys, have a great day.